In this video, I'll guide you through how to back up your Airtable data safely to your computer. We'll walk through a simple method that works in any modern web browser, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to save copies of your tables, so you're not relying only on Airtable's online storage. First, on your computer, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type in the Airtable website address, then press Enter. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Airtable account so you can access your workspaces and bases. Once you're in, locate the base you want to back up. A base in Airtable is like an individual database or project that contains one or more tables. Click on the base to open it. You should now see the main interface for that base, with the table name shown along the top, usually toward the left side. Now we'll export the data from a single table. Look for the table name near the top left of the screen. There will be a small drop-down arrow or menu icon next to that table name. Click on that drop-down. This opens a menu with several options related to that table. From this menu, find and select the option labeled Download CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a very common file format that can be opened in spreadsheet programs like Excel, Google Sheets, or many database tools. Choosing this option tells Airtable to create a downloadable copy of the data in the current table. After you click Download CSV, your browser will prompt you to save the file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it might automatically save the file to your default downloads folder, or it might ask you where you'd like to save it. If you get a choice, it's a good idea to pick a clear, organized location, such as a specific backup folder. You may also want to rename the file to something descriptive, like including the base name, the table name, and today's date, so you can easily identify it later. Once that file has finished downloading, you've successfully backed up that one table. However, keep in mind that a base can contain multiple tables, and downloading a CSV only backs up the single table you're currently viewing, not the entire base at once. To fully back up all of the data in the base, repeat the same process for each table. At the top of the base, click on a different table name to switch to that table. Then, again, click the drop-down menu next to that table's name, select Download CSV, and save the new file to your computer. Work your way through every table in the base, one by one, until each table has been downloaded as its own CSV file. When you're done, you'll have a complete backup of the base stored as separate CSV files on your computer. Consider keeping these files in a dedicated backup folder, and if possible, syncing that folder to a cloud storage service or an external drive for extra safety. That's all it takes to back up your Airtable data. Open the base, download each table as a CSV, and store those files somewhere secure.